Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a flow in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup and after that, we need just to go to our setup page. So from there, we need just to go to our flows so we can be able to delete our flow. So from here, we type flows, we click on these flows and basically we need just to search for any flow that you want to delete. And basically, we will see all this flow here. And basically, I have my flow here. So this is one that I have created, and I will be able to edit this flow by going to edit details, or you can just click on it. And basically, this is all you can do to it. So now, as you can see, when accessing to your flow, so basically you need just to click on the name, and by clicking on the flow it will take you to it, but we want to edit our flow. So now we go to edit details, we go again to save, and after that we need just to click on simply delete. So by clicking on delete you will be able to delete this flow, and basically it will be deleted successfully. So as you can see, even if we search for our flow, we will not find it. And basically that would only work on the created flow, and some flow that are created by default won't be able to be deleted since they are already by default integrated by Salesforce. So basically this is how you can delete your flow in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.